Hi everybody, I'm Danny Dancer. I'm the social studies educator here at Children's Museum Houston. And today for our Halloween craft, I'm going to show you how you can make a mad scientist wig, otherwise known as a wicked wig. I know. And all you need to make this is some different colors of paper. We need some wide strips of paper that can really be any color you like. Here at the museum, we're using gray paper. And then we need some thin strips of paper in any color that you think would match your mad scientist hair. So white, gray, I've got some blue mixed in, some black mixed in. You can use purple, you can use pink, you can use green, anything you'd like. Just cut into thin 1-inch strips. We also need some scissors and some tape. Here's how you make it. To make your headband, take your 2 wide strips of paper and tape them end to end. Then wrap them in a circle and measure it so that it fits your head. To make the hair, take 1 strip of paper about 1 inch wide and accordion fold. Then tape your hair to the outside of your band. Repeat this step with your next strip of paper. If you want, you can have your hair going off in different directions to make your wig a little bit more wild. You can also accordion fold more than 1 piece of paper at a time to save you a little bit of time. Don't worry about making it too neat. For a little variety, you can also curl some of your hair. Take a marker or a pencil and just wrap it around. Just like that. And when you pull it off, you'll have a little bit of a spiral, which you can add to your wig. Keep going until you've got the entire headband covered. And check it out. Here is my final product of my mad scientist wicked wig. This can be part of a Halloween costume if you want, or you can just wear it around. It looks pretty cool. It makes some funny noises when you shake it back and forth in your ears. So thank you very much everybody for joining us for today's Halloween craft, and we hope to see you at the museum soon. Bye.